Hello friend, today we are seeing full joint. So what is full joint? Full joint is a combination of left joint and right joint. Means it will be showing the match data from left and right table both, and non-match data from left table where it will be showing null value from right table, and right table's non-match data where it will be showing null values for the left table. In short, it will showing all the data from left table also and right table also, but where data matches it will show matching data, and where it will be not matches where it will be showing the nulls data. Okay, so let's see. So this is our two table emp and this is our department table. So to do full joint, we have to select star from emp full join dept on emp.id equals to dept.id. Okay, so this is the basic syntax for full joint in any database, but we are using MySQL, and in MySQL there is no any full word is present. So we have to use union, and we have to union left join and right join to show the output of full join. Okay, so we will do like that way. Okay, so we will do first left join, then right join, and then union it. Okay, then we have to use again right join, and here we have to use union. Okay, and once we will run it, it will be showing the output of full joint. Okay, so this is the output of full joint. Here id1 and id2 will be matches from both table, that's why it will be showing the matching data from left table and right table. Next, this is the uh, showing left table data, that is id3 and 4 is the left table data which is don't have matching, so it will be showing null from right side. Okay, and similarly it is the remaining data from right table where not showing the matching data in left table, shown left table is a null values. So like this way, where data matches it will be showing matching data, and where it will be not match it will be showing the null values. Like this way full joint work. Thank you.